Nazir Ahmed contested the 2020 general election on the Ceylon Muslim Congress ticket and secured 17,599 votes and won a seat in Parliament. However, on the 22nd of April, he was expelled from the Ceylon Muslim Congress. His expulsion came following his conduct where he voted in favor of the budget proposal, accepting the position of State Minister of Environment and several other reasons, according to the party General Secretary Nizam Karyappa. Nazir Ahmed filed a petition in the Supreme Court challenging his expulsion from the Ceylon Muslim Congress, and his petition was taken up today before a bench comprising of Justices Pradeepam Surasena, S. Thurairaja and Mahinda Samyavardhana. The Supreme Court bench, rejecting the petition, held that the expulsion of Nazir Ahmed from the Ceylon Muslim Congress is valid and legal.
As a secretary of the SLMC, letter expelling Nazir Ahmed was held valid and he loses his MP post, so he'll be losing his ministerial post. This is a historical judgment. This is a warning to any member of parliament who wanted to cross over for the purpose of obtaining ministerial portfolio.
The Supreme Court just delivered a judgment against Honorable Nazir Ahmed, who was a member of the Sri Lanka Muslim Congress. And Sri Lanka Muslim Congress had removed him from party membership for violating party discipline. He filed an application in the Supreme Court in terms of the Constitution to have that decision overturned. After arguments, the three judges who constituted the bench have unanimously held that the Sri Lanka Muslim Congress's decision to expel Nazir Ahmed is valid, and therefore he loses his parliamentary seat forthwith. This is a historic judgment in the sense that we've seen in the last several years, 20-25 years, several MPs who crossed over to other parties have remained MPs because they've come to court and got judgments that their expulsion was invalid. After a long time, this is the first case that has gone the other way, holding that if you violate party discipline and cross over, then you lose your parliamentary seat. And in the circumstances of this particular case, they have also held that formal hearing to him was not necessary. So in that sense, this is a very important judgment that the Supreme Court has just delivered.
With Nazir Ahmed losing his parliamentary seat following the decision of the Supreme Court, Ali Zahir Maulana, who received the second highest number of votes in the Batticaloa district, will enter parliament. The General Secretary of the Ceylon Muslim Congress said that the relevant letters have been sent to the Election Commission.